Hello, it's Lionel from Advantage Science, and today we're going to look at how to set up a registration for the online study guide. And to do that, all you'll need is a valid email address and go to advantagescience.com, which is exactly where I'm at right now. And you'll notice in the top right-hand corner, we have something that says Moodle login page, which is the program we use to host the online study guide. So I'll just click on that, and that'll take us to our registration page. Now, if you've already registered, and that'll be every time after the first time you do it, you just put your username and password in here. If it's your home computer, you can click Remember Username and log in. If you forget either of those, there's a recovery system right there. But since this is our first time here, we're going to click on Create a New Account. If you have a Gmail account or your school uses Google Apps for Education, you can also log on with your Google account, but we'll do that in another video. For now, we're just going to take a look at how to build a new account, how to register for the Advantage Science site. So first of all, we have to do is we have to put in a username. So I will put in just something like Lionel Student, and a password. Now this is important here, and this sometimes catches people. You need at least 8 characters, one of which has to be a number, one has to be a lowercase, one has to be an uppercase, and there has to be one non-alphanumeric character, like a star, a dash, or an exclamation mark, something like that. And that is just the way the system works. You have to put those things in. And then you put in your email address, you repeat that again, and you put your full name and surname in. You don't have to put your city or town or country in if you don't want to. I should point out though that as you're filling in this information, it's important that your email address is a valid email address, because there will be a verification email that's sent to you. And if you don't get a reply back to that verification, then what happens is you can't get into the site and enroll in courses. So that's really important to do that. And if you do have a problem with that, my email address is at the end, and you can send that to me, and we'll get you registered as best as we can and as fast as we can. Now, the last step that comes in is a security question. And in this case, what we have to do is it's a little CAPTCHA. So we just need to enter the words that you see in the picture there. And it's, I believe, usually case sensitive. So we do that. And then when we've done that, all we have to do is click Create a New Account once we've filled in all the fields, and wait for the verification email. So let's go see what the verification email looks like. Now here's our verification email. You see it came to my Gmail account. There's my name, and it's saying that I've requested a new account at Advantage Science. So to prove that it was me that actually did that registration, I just click on this link. When you click the verification link, you'll come back to advantagescience.com and all the available courses. This may take a second, but you'll have to go through the list and scroll through until you find the course that you're taking right now at your school. So let's say, for example, I'm taking AP Chemistry, and the book I'm using is AP Chemistry 1. Well, I would see it's there, and I would know that my teacher has given me an enrollment code for this course. So by clicking on this course, the first time I go in, it will ask me for an enrollment code. And so I put that enrollment code in right here. And then all I have to do is enroll in the course. And I do that by clicking Enroll Me. And now I'm into AP Chemistry 1. There we are. Welcome to AP Chemistry 1. And I can start using the quizzes, the study notes, click on the video solutions, which are the QR codes in your book, grab an answer key if I need it, or even read that particular chapter online. And that's available for each chapter. And that's all in one place. And now when I log out of here and log back in, the system knows I'm registered, and it also knows which courses I've enrolled in, so you won't get that long list. You'll only get the courses that you enrolled. In this case, for me, it would be AP Chemistry 1. And that's it. You're registered for AdvantageScience.com. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact me at Lionel@AdvantageInteractive.com. Thanks, and good luck with your course.